Well, hello everyone. This is Lakshay from ZEX Media, and we are at the Hong Kong Web3 Festival, right? And while roaming around, I was wondering, is it possible to incorporate AI and blockchain in the best way possible? Is it just blockchain for AI or AI for blockchain? So while exploring this thing around uh, this big event, I happened to get in talks with Cindy, right? So Cindy is the marketing head. She handles all the marketing stuff around the Kite AI. So what exactly is Kite AI?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Cindy from Kite AI. Very nice to and pleasure to be here and discuss all the exciting AI cross blockchain topics here with Lakshay. So Kite AI is building the layer one chain for AI. We're building a new consensus layer called the proof of AI. So proof of AI help all the AI contributors to track their attribution and ownership across the data, model, and agent. For example, if you are building a new AI agent, you use other people's data, use other people's model to do all the fine tunings. Proof of AI actually help those contributors to measure how much contribution I had, and accordingly, they can get a fair and a trustless reward.
Wait, and speaking of the proof of AI, right? How exactly this consensus algorithm work? I mean, does I have to give my data set to any set of new AI bots or AI agents
Mhm.
so that they can scale up that whole ecosystem of that AI on my data set, and maybe somewhere I'll get rewarded? Is it like
Yeah,
that?
yeah. It's similar like that. So the whole process that AI agent works with the data and the model is that the AI agent, when they become a very specific bot, for example, this is a bot has some personalities. They will use some some personal data and do the fine tuning about the agent. Then they will use very specific data set to do all those trainings. So that's how actually AI agent will call the data and then use the data for those inferences. But how does that interact exactly in our chain? Is that we have different subnet. There's a data subnet, there's a model subnet, and AI agent subnet. So basically, the AI agent subnet will call the data subnet and use the data they need for all the trainings and inferences. And then because the layer of the consensus we just mentioned is called proof of AI, all those attributions, contribution from different subnets can be recorded on chain. So that's how exactly it works on Kite AI's blockchain.
And in terms of onboarding of any AI bot or models, or maybe I have to get in as an data sets,
Yeah.
right? So how's the onboarding process
Yeah.
for
There's
the models?
two type of the onboarding process. One is more for enterprise. So we have some partners. They have some very specific domain data. So they actually collect all this data from all the users, but they will actually provide those attributions to their users. This is one way. So it's already collectively with some of the partners. Another is just for community. So we have the community subnet. All the users we give you a portal, then you can upload your data, and then there will be your own subnet, and then those data will be used for the AI agent in the future. If those AI agents get monetized, then because of the proof of AI layers, then the subnet from the community members who contribute the data will also get measured by their contribution will be measured, and then the reward will be, I think, distributed accordingly. That's
And
how it works.
as it is already on blockchain, so most of the security features and the data management works around the blockchain ecosystem, right? How is the security protocols going on for the Kite AI?
Yeah, I think for the data security is our highest, especially for the community members. This is, like a personal data, very sensitive. So we actually follow all the privacy protocols that require for the personal data. That's number one. And also, I think for blockchain, there's actually security, like some security standards that help with the personal data protection as well.
Wait, and let's say I have my own agent, right? And I onboarded on the Kite AI, right? Use some sort of different data sets, right? To optimize my bot,
Yeah.
right? Once it gets monetized, obviously I'm gonna earn some rewards on my subscription model or whatever I have on my AI bot, and the person who has given their data sets will be rewarded, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the connection of the AI models, the bots, and the whole data sets?
Mm.
And how well is this integration in terms of tech?
Oh, okay. I think you can think about they are like a different modular tech stack on top
Mm-hmm.
of the blockchain. So they're like a small applications on top of our blockchain. And the way they interact with each other is through the API calls. So it's very similar to the centralized, infrastructure, but the difference is that because it's on blockchain, so you need a traditional blockchain infrastructure to support consensus layer, execution layer, settlement layer to ensure the whole process is seamless. But overall, I think it's just like different modules that will call each other and make sure all the information can be synced up.
Great. And how's been your sync with the Web3 Festival? Are you enjoying the Hong Kong?
Yeah, yeah. This is my second time at a Web3 festival. Uh, Always enjoy all the new, getting all the new information, knowing more new people's, new friends, and new partners, exciting projects. So yeah, this is always a fantastic moment for me to get in touch with the whole Web2 and the Web3, AI related ecosystem.
Great. So I hope you enjoy your rest of the event, right? And thank you so much for your insights.
Thank
I'll
you.
hope I'll catch you later at the booth as well, so we can talk more about how your ecosystem works, right?
Yeah, 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 definitely. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Lakshay.
so much.